Curious about Magento 2 GraphQL? Ever wondered how this powerful tool streamlines data interaction in your Magento 2 store? Stay tuned as we explore how it works and uncover its pros and cons. First off, let's explore how Magento 2 GraphQL works. Magento 2 GraphQL outlines available data types and operations, allowing efficient querying. Clients construct hierarchical Magento 2 GraphQL queries, reducing the need for multiple endpoints. Magento 2 GraphQL queries are parsed, validated, and executed against the schema. Resolvers fetch requested data and then return it to GraphQL runtime, offering flexibility and efficient processing. GraphQL Server assembles the data into a JSON response and sends it back to the client, mirroring the query structure. Besides querying, mutations allow data modification, like updating customer info or processing orders. Now, let's understand the pros of Magento 2 GraphQL. GraphQL fetches specific data, reducing overfetching and underfetching, ideal for limited bandwidth scenarios. GraphQL's flexible query language constructs complex queries tailored to client needs, facilitating hierarchical data retrieval. It improves performance with smaller response payloads, leading to faster data retrieval times. It simplifies API usage by using a unified interface for querying and mutating data. Strongly typed schema ensures data structure consistency and operations for clients for easy introspection. Real-time data updates support subscriptions for real-time updates, enhancing user experience. It adapts to emerging technologies, ensuring scalability and future-proofing for Magento 2 stores. Here are the cons of Magento 2 GraphQL. The learning curve may pose challenges for developers unfamiliar with its query language and concepts. Implementing a GraphQL server can be more complex than traditional REST APIs, demanding additional expertise. Catching GraphQL responses can be challenging, especially with complex queries or real-time data. Poorly designed queries or inefficient resolvers can still lead to data overfetching, necessitating careful optimization. While GraphQL's ecosystem is growing, the ecosystem may have limitations compared to RESTful APIs. While Magento 2 GraphQL presents challenges like a learning curve and catching complexities, its benefits in performance, real-time updates, and scalability make it a promising choice for Magento 2 stores. That sums up our overview of Magento 2 GraphQL. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for more valuable insights.